welcome back to your channel Bowerspace. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I will share with you some ideas in which you could organize your books. If you're an avid reader, I am very sure you will be trying to find out new ways in which you can display those really affectionate books that you have collected over a period of time. You might be looking at ways to organize those messy little books that belong to your children that do not really stand themselves upright straight. You might be looking out for ways to organize your children's school books. So today's video, it will help you to organize any kind of a book. So let's get started. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please do like this video and do press that notification so that you come to know whenever I post anything new. Thanks a lot for watching. Let's continue. Well friends, this little clip is a bit of a last minute thing for me. So once I finished editing the video, I came to know that one of my good friends and my mentor in many things, she has launched a book. It's by the name My Stuff Speaks. It's an amazing book, very interesting. I think you should go ahead and buy a copy for yourself. I'll put the link in the description box below. It's amazing. I had fun reading this. Now, Sania, you did a wonderful job. I adore you as always. Now, Sania Siddiqui, the author of this book, doesn't know that I'm going to put this as a part of my video. It would be absolutely unfair that I talk about books today and I do not have this piece showing up here. So Sania, this is for you. Thank you so much. I thought this is a small bit that I can do from my end to perhaps let a few people know about the nice job that you have done through this book. So thank you so much. The easiest way to arrange books, especially novels or chapter books, is by the name of author. So when someone wants to read a series, they are all grouped together. That way they don't have to go hunting every time. Adding to the collection becomes very easy. Typically found in a bookstore or a library, arranging by genre or the type of books is one of the most popular ways of book arrangement. I like to keep my books segregated by type and within each type by the name of the author. Very thin books like the story books of kids look neat and arranged if you sort them in bins. It becomes very easy to access. Books don't get jumbled up this way. Now, you could also use wooden plate racks like this. They are easily available everywhere to stylishly organize magazines and small books. If you want to store school books on top of the study table, arranging them in file organizers or magazine organizers is a great way. That way, books are easy to see, easy to pull out, and even thin books can stand very well. It looks very neat and organized. I have used this Desk Caddy from IKEA to hold these really small set of learning books. They fit in very well and do not scatter easily. I have used the smaller slots in the front for smaller books and the bigger ones go right behind. In fact, I managed to use some space for the flashcards also. Now before I move on, I want to tell you that I have converted this little available space into a study area for my kids. So those set of books which I am currently using, I keep it in this little bin. It saves time and books are found more easily. Now while we are at it, let me show you the done box. So this is the done box and these are the done books. Basically the books that my kids have finished reading all on their own. I don't know if notepads and notebooks are ideal to discuss in this video, but I think I should. So a bin like this can beautifully hide all such notebooks that possibly create a mess. Make sure that they are sturdy. Now for a quick bonus tip, use baskets like these to store books in narrow spaces of your bookshelf. Now, among the many other books at home, I'm sure you will always have those books which are the latest in use. Now, those books can beautify your living room as a coffee table arrangement. Try to keep those books in some kind of a tray so that removing becomes easy when the table is in use. Last but not the least, floating bookshelves are a great way to store books in any room. They occupy much less space and look very classy. So I hope you found the video useful. Please do share the way you organize your books and arrange them. And until the next time, stay organized, stay productive, stay happy. Bye bye.